Hi, I'm Edward Gibbons-Brown, and here's something neat. RON DEL BARRILITO is Puerto Rico's oldest rum brand, in production since 1880. That's when Pedro Fernandez started making this rum. 100 years later, RON DEL BARRILITO is one of Puerto Rico's most beloved rums. The brand has expanded distribution in recent years, so it's a little bit easier to find a bottle these days. But they haven't changed their methods. Barrilito is still blended by hand in small batches. The factory is still staffed by members of the Fernandez family. They haven't even changed the label. This 3-star bottling is a blend of rum sourced from Bacardi, aged between 6 and 10 years in vintage American white oak Oloroso sherry barrels, then macerated with a little bit of fresh fruit after distillation. This is called a Glencairn glass. It's designed for tasting scotch, but it works the same way with any spirit. The tulip shape gathers and focuses aromatic molecular compounds into a concentrated bouquet. Okay, let's pour. So try to identify aromas. For me, there's caramel, toffee, vanilla, raisins, bananas, citrus. It's totally subjective though, so whatever you smell is the right answer. Let's taste. There's a lot of sherry and wood notes from the barrel. It's very sherry forward. Lots of caramel and toffee. A lot of dried fruits, raisins, dried apricots, spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, pepper. It's smooth and sweet. It's delicious. Please take a few minutes to check out our video series, Cocktails for the Quarantine, where we make good cocktails at home on a budget. This week we'll be making a daiquiri. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.